How to curve text in Canva. So today I'm going to show you how you can curve your text in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is go to canva.com, and in the top right hand corner, you want to go to create a design, and you can select any of these except doc or document, as it doesn't have the text function to curve your text. So if we choose whiteboard, okay, and then we go to the left and select text. Here we can add a text box. Once we've added a text box, you want to go to the top and select effects. On effects, on the left, you want to scroll down and select curve. Here, you'll have a curve text and you can type in anything. How to curve. Once you're happy with that, you've gone to effects, scroll down, and that curve, you can change the curve to position it however you like. And that's how you change your text to curve in Canva.